free strategy using Craigslist to get leads and sales with the conversion pros. Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. I told you I was gonna make a part 2 of this video, and I'll leave this video below, guys, so you can check it out if you didn't see it. How to build a sales funnel from scratch with the conversion pros. That you can see it's not even done, no video or nothing, guys. So what I created from that scratch video that you see right in front of you is this, guys. When they first come to it, 2 videos that you can see in the other video that I was doing from scratch. And then that you notice, I put all these bullets and points right here, guys. And then I have another video, testimonial video with the conversion pros, and 2 buttons, get started. And I also built a landing page, guys, right here. So once they fill their name and email, they'll come right here, guys, to this sales page. Now, I want to show you guys how you can get leads from Craigslist and sales from Craigslist for free with the conversion pros, guys. So that would be interesting. So bear with me. I set everything up today, but I gotta test it out and see if it worked. So what I did, and this took about a week to all set up, guys, like setting the capture page, the sale page, and a strategy, guys. So for example, this strategy I'm going to use, and it's unlimited, guys. I'm just going to start with the carpet cleaning business people, right? I'm going to go to Craigslist, and they going to open this email because they think they're going to get a sale, right? Subject, regarding to your Craigslist post. Boom, they're going to open that real quick. If you want more leads, sales for your carpet cleaning business, respond back yes to this email. I put my email right there, right? And I had to test it out, make sure everything working. And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, for example, I tested out with myself. Okay, Agent Ramsey, boo boo. I saw your Craigslist post. We are currently helping people get more leads and sales for their business. For more info, click here. When they click here, they'll come. Sometimes they'll come to just a sale page, or I might send them to my capture page. And what I did, guys, so I don't gotta keep on doing it over and over and over and over again. I went to this email where they're gonna go to when they click yes, right? And I went to settings, go to settings, and go all the way, scroll down until you hit the vacation responder. Click on responder on, right? And put a subject, regarding your Craigslist post. I saw your Craigslist post. We are currently helping people get more leads and sales for their business. Get more info. They click here. Look forward to working with you. Sincerely, Agent R, Marketing Guru. Now, this all on autoresponder, guys. You want to set up a email that's not used, and I just test like right here, guys. When they click yes, when I showed you right here regarding your Craigslist post, yes. So I had to test it, make sure everything was working right. So you want to set up a new Gmail account, and you want to go to the settings right here. Click on that button. Just scroll all the way down to the vacation mode right here, and then just write something down right here and get your link active right here. Just go to this chain thing right here, and then you can put your link in and stuff like that. Click on vacation responder on. So every time someone click yes, they'll get this email automatic. So for example, if I target, just send 50 emails out per day on just carpet cleaning on different cities and different states. I already got this already saved right here. So all I'm doing is just copy and pasting, guys. And then I'll let my autoresponder right here do the work for me. And I will get a lot of leads, or I'll get a lot of sales right away from my sale page right here. If I want to test with leads, I'll go right here. So I'll be mixing, matching both of them, to see what it do. But it's gonna be fun, guys. I hope y'all learned something from this strategy. I showed you the the format, how I start my capture page. I mean my sale page, and I show you the done results right here that you can see there. And I'm also gonna show you the capture page I made for this sale page. And guys, what I'm gonna do is, if you want my share codes for this page and also this page right here, if you join my team, I'll give you my share codes for both these pages. Plus, I'll give you more strategies. And also, if you want more of my help and you want to know, Craigslist, there's many cities and there's many states. So there's many different jobs, offline jobs like, carpet cleaning, nail salons, barbershops, plumbers, so many. So you can just send exactly the thing I just set up for you, or I will help you set it up if you join my team. New Gmail, get your new Gmail set up on a vacation mode responder. Put my ad copy, or you want to make your own ad copy, that's cool too. Um, and then I'll also give you my share codes for the 2 pages I made with the conversion pros. I will leave the sign up form. It's free for 2 weeks too, guys. So I'll leave that link in the comment section, guys. And I'll leave this video also, so you can see this video also when I started make the funnel. This right here, this page, because it was this page. And I'll show you a little more things, guys, if you join my team. But I'm just showing you a free strategy, how to get leads and sales with Craigslist. All right, guys. Peace, love, happy holiday. I am out.